channel, and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. Room category 1 size, bed type, highlight facilities, amenities, and details, etc. To discuss the amenities of this property, as you can see on the screen. In this property, what type of room is available on agoda.com. The location of the property is first class. Yes, please enjoy the beautiful surroundings. And checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description. If you are having problem with this property, you can drop a comment. For details to get more details about this resort, please follow the description link. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new video with a new hotel.